How y'all doing? Back again. Dexterdoitall. And as you can see, it's wet. It's wet again. It's wet again. So might be a little windy again. So hey, gotta bear with me. Walk's flying though. Not all walks are flying. But yeah, I'm gonna run some more water furs. So get this bike all crunk up and stuff. They gotta get out there. Y'all gotta get down. Y'all gotta get down. Check my oil. Check my oil stuff right quick. All good. Yep, all good. Let's see. Let's see what else. You think some water fur to be ran on the 80 acres too? So water fur got to be ran on the 80 acres too? Alright, so you pick up some water fur. I pick up some water fur. This field right here needed too? Alright. Hello. What up? There you go. Yeah, she got through planting. Now it rained, but now we still got to plant some soybean. So last night we got through planting. So might be a little windy, like I said, you know. But other than that, seeds in the ground. We ain't get a chance to spray it just yet, so we gonna do a burn down on it. So I don't know how much left in the hopper, probably none. It got a little bit down in there. But hey, got it done. So I guess we'll be back soon to dry up. The wind stay high like this for a couple days. We'll be able to get back in there and plant them soybeans. Try to wash these boots off soon. I had just bought these boots, they got muddy. Man, I buy me some more boots now. I love these boots. They were my boots to go on trail ride and stuff. But, hey.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Yeah, I'm out here running trenches, you know what I'm saying, hey, up and down the field. And guess what I see? Look. Oh, let me get close for y'all. Look like got a bunch of babies on it. I hate that. Man, I hate that. Look at them, hold on. Why you way out here anyway? Look at all them things on here, man. Man, I hate when they do this. They won't even eat crawfish now. Oh, I hate eating them things. Look at all them things on there. Ooh, how many on there? How many on? That's just, thought it give me the. I don't like that. I don't like that. They look good. Got a whole bunch of them on there too. Man, I don't even want to touch it. Look at that. Guess you gotta carry it somehow, huh? hate that. I hate that. Get them crawfish. Y'all can have them. Y'all can have them crawfish. All right, buddy, go ahead back to what you were doing. Cause I don't want you. Right there, grab it and crawfish. This is the same field I was in last time running the water birds, so it should be pretty good. It should be going pretty fast. I'm gonna see it just a second. Man, that's nasty, man. That's nasty. I hate that. Nasty crawfish with all them eggs on them. Freak. But the water coming out the ditch. See, we ain't got no ditches down here. I'm going through the field. Now I'm stuck. I'll get. Do I go back? How can you run water first and getting stuck? There we go. Had to put the 4-wheel drive on. Look at that water coming back that way. I don't want it to. It's like a bag in them. That water field stays so wet right there. In this spot. Look at our ditches. We ain't got no ditches. You go in the ditch, you can get yourself out. I don't care how hard you hit it. You can get yourself out that ditch. Come on, man. Get out of there. These ain't no trench tires, but they'll make a crease. That ain't like that other bike I got. What I call it, what I call that thing? Assassinator trench tire. That's what it was. Windy. Look at the clouds. We might get some more rain. Yeah, buddy. It's running. I'm gonna go straight. It's running too good, so I'm gonna keep going straight across the ditch. Doggy, I got the wrong. Lay some of that down. Ow! That hurt it. Going up by them. Going up out there. Nice pretty corn. guess I'll rinse the bike off a little bit. Rinse the bike off a little bit. Yeah, because you know how that mud get caked up on there. So I'm rinsing the bike off just a little bit there. I'm gonna get back out and get some more mud. Then, hey, go on to the house. Go on to, hope I don't fall. Let me see. Okay, I made it. I made it. Look at this lady right here. Got a tractor on its way to somebody's farm. It's on its way. Oh, that's the new one.